This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate. Working in the luggage compartment, rotate the two fasteners anti-clockwise and pull back the inner carpet trim. Push out the retaining clip and pull the bulb holder assembly from the lights unit. The top outer bulb is the stop light, the top inner bulb is the tail light, the bottom outer bulb is the direction indicator, and the bottom inner bulb is the reversing light. Depress and twist the relevant bulb to remove it. The bulb is a bayonet fit in the bulb holder. Press the bulb into the holder and rotate it clockwise slightly to secure it. Carefully locate the bulb holder assembly on the rear light unit and press it rearwards to engage the retaining clip. Refit the carpet trim and rotate the fasteners clockwise to secure it.